What's up guys, this is Abhishek and you're watching Tech Mom. Today I'm going to show you how to create an awesome intro like this. So you have to have a Kinemaster, open Kinemaster. On the left hand side there you will see a settings option. Select that and duration, make it below 0.5 and select fill screen. Click on OK. Right? And once you do that, after that you have to have some good quality HD quality images into your phone memory in your phone. Okay, so approximately 50 images. So what you have to do, you just need to click on the media icon and then you put all the 50 images one by one. You select all the 50 images and then click on that white tick option. Okay, it depends on you whether you want to put 50 images, 40 images, it depends on you. Okay, once you've done that, then you once again click on the share icon and you have to export the entire video. Okay, once you have done that, this video will be saved in your media. Then you click on the media once again and you select this particular video and attach to it. Okay, attach to this video. So and adjust the duration as per your choice. You can see, and once you have done that, click on OK. And on the right hand side you can find here adjustment. Click on adjustment and keep the saturation to -100. Okay, here, correct. It will make it black and white. Okay, so you can see, so that means there are 50 images plus a collage of all the images. That video is attached to this clip. Okay, now right now what you need to do, you have to add a song. So you can, in the Kinemaster there will be free songs which you can add, but if you want you can get songs from YouTube library. Okay, so here I downloaded this song from Kinemaster. Wow, I put it here and it will be added automatically and it will end where the clip ends. Okay, now select the clip and adjust it as per your choice, how long you want to keep that clip. Right here, correct. This is I think this is the best option to close this clip. So right now click on OK, and right now I will be keeping my logo. I'll put it on 3 seconds. Okay, I'll input my logo over here. So I'll click on text. I'll put the name of my channel like Tech Monk, and I usually put a space in between the words, alphabets, I'm sorry. So here it is, Tech Monk. I put one extra space in the middle, and then I usually resize it and I change the color on the right hand side. You can see I selected yellow, then I go down and then I select outline, glow, all the 3 options. Glow, then shadow, outline, all these 3 options. You have to toggle all of them on. Okay, now you can select the front whichever you want. So I'm selecting Cresper, this one. I'll resize it. Then what I do, I go down, I click on blending and then click on screen. It will blend with the background image. Okay, so right now I'll stretch it to full, this Tech Monk clip section rather. So once you have done that, what do you do, you select the text Tech Monk. On the left hand side, did you see there was a icon, key icon? You have to click on it, then you go in front, select it, and at the then go at the back and put this icon there. It will zoom in, zoom out while while the video will continue. You can adjust it. Initially what I do, at the beginning I usually keep it small, then at the end I usually make it a bit larger. Now what I do here, in the 4 seconds I add a background, a black background, that will make the pictures in the video a little darker. Okay, so what I do, I click on that, and after that I click on split, and I'll just make it to 75, the alpha opacity. Then in animation, go to fade, then increase the timing duration like this, and play it. You can see the TechMonk is not visible properly, so what I have to do, I have to bring that TechMonk in the front. So I just clicked on that 3 dots and then click on back to front, bring it front. So see, the background is black, however the TechMonk is glowing and very nicely visible. So now what I do, I put a white, I just add a white background screen, and I'll add the text once again, the name of my channel, TechMonk. I usually put a space in between the alphabets. I change the color and resize it, and I'll also change the front, and I'll make sure it's glowing, has an outline and a shadow. I'll follow, I'll put it just below the on the layer of white background. I'll readjust the size. I'll make sure all of them are aligned. Then what I do is I click on TechMonk, then I click on like outline, I enable it, then shadow, turn it on, then glow. Almost done. So right now what I'll do, I'll just click on the key icon on the left hand side. You see, I'll just touch on it, then I just bring the cursor at the beginning, then resize the TechMonk, then I go at the back, I'll make it a little larger so that when the clip goes on, at the end it will become a bit larger. That's why we do this thing. Okay, so click on OK. Now what I do is, like, after that I just out animation, I make it fade, make it 2 seconds, 5 seconds or 2 seconds, depends on you, the duration. Then I click on layer, then media, and I add a background. See, I selected a new picture, I added it here, so it's on the top, so I have to make sure the TechMonk is visible. So what I do, I go to the blending option and I select screen. You can see here it's looking nice now. So right now, out animation, select fade, make it 2. Now it's almost done. Now it's looking nice, you can see. Yeah, right. So right now, once again, I'll just play it. There will be people who might not have Kinemaster installed, or maybe they have free version. In case If you cannot do it with the free version, you can let me know, if you want, let me know in the comments section, and then I'll make it for you. Okay, I'll give you a link. So I'll just have to change the name of the company, name of the channel, right? So here once again, the last thing that the main important thing is, adding a fog, smoke, sorry. So you go to the overlay, then you select the settings, you adjust it here. You may not see there, you have to click on get more. You have to have a paid version of Kinemaster to get this smoky overlay. So we adjust it according to your choice, and once it's done, it will be looking awesome. Now you will see the final output, and I know if you like this video, I would request you please like this video and subscribe my channel.